Hello and welcome to my channel Math Easy, where mathematics is easy. This will be an informative video, so let's check it out. In this video we will going to predict the examination dates of CSIR NET December 2020 examination, and since we know that CSIR NET examination always take place right after the UGC NET examination, so that we can predict it through the notifications of UGC NET examinations. So let's analyze it. The story begins when UGC NET has published a notification on 10th of August regarding the UGC NET December 2020 examination, and they have decided that this examination will be held on 6th October to 11th October. But this doesn't happen. Moreover, right after the one day of the publish of this notification, HRDG CSIR has posted a tweet on 11th of August. This says that the date for conduct of CSIR NET exam shall be finalized when the pandemic situation stabilizes and communicated on the CSIR HRDG website. After that, UGC NET has announced 2 dates of examinations and postponed them due to the COVID situation of second wave. After that, recently on 14th of October, HRDG CSIR has again tweeted that DGNTA has informed DGCSIR that the dates for CSIR UGC NET exam would be announced soon. Right after its 8 days, on 22nd of October, UGC NET has announced the finalized dates of UGC NET December 2020, and this exam will be held on 3rd and 4th week of November and 1st week of December. Keep in mind the above all these analysis, we can predict that CSIR NET December 2020 will be held on 2nd and 3rd week of January, and the notification will be revealed on 2nd or 3rd week of November. Since they have said that there will be a difference of 2 months between notification and examination date. So if you find it useful, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you.